Hello students, welcome back to studies. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus b square. So a is equal to 2, so 2 square plus b is minus 2, so minus 2 square. So 2 square is 2 into 2, that's equal to 4. Okay, and then plus minus 2 square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4. So plus 4, that's equal to 4. Plus into plus is plus 4, that's equal to 8. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus ab plus b square. So a square is nothing but 2 square plus ab. ab is a into b, that's 2 into minus 2 plus b square. b is minus 2 to the power 2. So that's equal to 2 square is 2 into 2, that's equal to 4. Plus into minus, we are talking about this. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 2 is 4. And then plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 2 is 4. So plus 4. That's equal to 4 minus 4. Plus into plus is plus 4. So plus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled. So the answer is 4. Or plus 4 minus 4 is 0. Plus 4 is. Here they've asked us to find out the value of a square minus b square. So a is 2. 2 square minus 2 square. That's equal to 2 square is 2 into 2, that's equal to 4 minus, now minus 2 square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4. That's equal to 4. Minus into plus is minus 4. So the answer is 0. If a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1, find the value of 2a plus 2b. That's equal to 2 into value of a is equal to 0 plus 2 into value of b is minus 1. So that's equal to 2 into 0 is 0, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. When a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1, find the value of 2a square plus b square plus 1. So that's equal to 2 into the value of A is 0. So 0 square plus the value of B is minus 1. They've given here. Minus 1 square plus 1. So that's equal to 2 into 0 square is 0, right? Plus minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is plus 1 and plus 1. This is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. Plus into plus is plus 1 and plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to minus 1. Find out the value of 2A square B plus 2AB square plus AB. So that's equal to 2 into A is 0, 0 square, B is minus 1 plus 2 into A is 0, B is minus 1 square plus A is 0, B is minus 1. So that's equal to 2 into 0 to the power 0 is 0 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So plus 1, and then here plus, plus into minus, minus, 0 into 1 is 0. Now 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into plus 1 is 0, minus 0. The answer is 0. Find the value of A square plus AB plus 2 when A is equal to 0, B is equal to minus 1. So A square is 0 square plus AB. A is 0, B is minus 1 plus 2. So that's equal to 0 to the power 2 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus into minus is minus 0 and then plus 2. So that's equal to plus 2. These problems are slightly different from the previous problems. Here they've asked you to simplify these expressions and then find the value of the expression if x is equal to 2. So let us first simplify the expression. This is the given expression, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Now this is a algebraic expression with 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3 terms. So how are you going to simplify? What do you mean by simplifying? You need to remove the brackets. So this is equal to x plus 7. Now this is where simplification has to be done. So plus 4 into x minus 5. If there is no sign, then it is plus, right? So first you have to multiply this. Plus into plus is plus. 4 into x is 4x. Then the same thing has to be multiplied for the second term, right? So plus into minus is minus. 4 into 5 is 20. So when you're removing the brackets, the answer will be 4x minus 20. Now write the like terms. If there is no number, what did I say? It is 1. Okay, so write the like terms together. 1x plus 4x plus 7 minus 20. Let us further simplify this. So 1x plus 4x, same signs, put the same sign and add. So this is equal to 5x. And then you have plus 7 and minus 20. Different signs, put the bigger number sign and subtract. 20 minus 7 is 13. So 5x minus 13. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 2. So that's equal to 5 into, they've given x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2. So minus 13. That's equal to 5 into 2 is 10 minus 13. So plus 10 minus 13. Two different signs. Put the bigger number sign and subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3. So the answer is minus 3. Similarly, in this problem, first we need to simplify the expression and then find the value of the expression if x is equal to 2. So here also there is a bracket. We need to remove the bracket. Plus 5x minus 7. So here also you have three terms, 1, 2 and third term. So let us first simplify this. 3 into x plus 2. So first you have to multiply this. If there is no sign, then it is plus. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into x is 3x. Then multiply plus 3 and plus 2. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into 2 is 6. So when you're simplifying this, when you're removing the brackets, you get 3x plus 6. And then you have 5x minus 7. Let us further simplify by writing the like terms. So 3x and plus 5x plus 6 and minus 7. Simplify this further. Plus 3x plus 5x. You get both signs same. Put the same sign and add. 3 plus 5 is 8x. Plus 6 minus 7. Two different signs. Put the bigger number sign and subtract. 7 minus 6 is minus 1. Now substitute the value of x. So this is equal to 8 into, what is the value of x? Value of x is 2 minus 1. 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. Over here, here too, first we need to simplify the expression and then find the value of the expression if x is equal to 2. Let us first write the given expression. 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. This is one term. This is the second term. So 6x. Let us simplify this term. So no sign means plus. Plus into plus is plus. 5 into x is 5x. Then multiply this. Plus into minus is minus. 5 into 2 is 10. So when you're simplifying, you get 5x. Plus into plus is plus. 5 into x is 5x. Plus into minus is minus. 5 into 2 is 10. Further simplifying, plus 6x and plus 5x. Both signs same is, put the same sign and add. 6 plus 5 is 11x. So this is plus 11x minus 10. Let us substitute the value of x is equal to 2. So this is equal to 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 into 2 is 22 minus 10. So 22 minus 10 plus 22 minus 10, bigger number sign, subtract. 22 minus 10 is 12. So the answer is plus 12. Moving ahead. So we have 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11 we need to simplify this. So this is the first term, second term, third term of the algebraic expression. So simplifying this, 4 into 2x minus 1, if there is no sign, it is plus, right? So first multiply this, plus into plus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8, and then you have x, 4 into 2x is 8x. Now multiply this, plus into minus is minus, 4 into 1 is 4. So when you're simplifying this, you get plus 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Let us write the like terms together. So plus 8x and plus 3x minus 4 and plus 11. Let us further simplify this. So plus 8x plus 3x, put the bigger number sign in, add 8 plus 3 is 11x. So here the answer is 11x minus 4 plus 11. Two different signs, put the bigger number sign and subtract. 11 minus 4 is 7. So 11x plus 7. Let us substitute the value of x is equal to 2. So 11 into 2 plus 7. 11 into 2 is 22 plus 7. 22 plus 7 is 29. Okay students, that's all for now. Hope you all had a pleasant learning experience. See you all in our next video.